Hey guys, I'm Jules from JRP. Today, we're going to be installing these BMC air filters into this 2019 Acura NSX. You might be asking, why are you guys replacing some OEM filters that only have about 3,000 kilometers on them? The answer is simple. In F1, for example, BMC cotton filters minimize the loss of airflow pressure passing through the air filter. What this does is it ensures the best conditions for full exploitation of maximum power. Thus, the benefits of replacing the original paper filter with BMC cotton filters are evident. BMC only uses alloy mesh with epoxy coating to ensure protection from gas fumes and from oxidation due to the humidity of the air. The filtering material is composed of a special cotton gauze soaked with low viscosity oil to give you the best air permeability. BMC technical staff has developed a particular production system based on soft rubber molding, which produces the familiar BMC red filters. They are made in one single piece with no welded joints in the corners, thus avoiding breaking risks. BMC air filters are designed and produced to flow higher levels of air than OE paper filters. If you are looking for the best in protection, performance, and durability, contact us today at JRP about the many applications that we have in stock for BMC air filters, such as Porsche, Mercedes, Lamborghini, Ferrari, and more.